Hi there, my name is Janine Brown and I'm a conference producer for Topco Media. So you're thinking of hosting your own event and you're thinking to yourself, why outsource when I can do it myself? This is what we'll cover. You'll save time and money and get a great return on investment. You'll create impactful relationships from stakeholders, customers, and people that you might not usually meet at your own event. You'll reach a wider audience and increase on engagement. You'll have quality content generated for you. So lastly, you get to sit back and enjoy the ride. Let's start off with the first reason. Your finance team will love you. By partnering with B2B experts, you put in a little investment and you get out a lot. We handle the venue, speakers, delegates, goodie bags, marketing, freelancers, staff, everything in between is handled by us with one simple pay. Now on to the second reason. You'll form impactful relationships. As B2B event organizers, we know how to get you in a room full of people that you wouldn't necessarily be able to get in on your own. From startups to big corporations, academics, policymakers, and experts, we'll connect you with the decision makers. All you need to do is be there. The next reason is that you'll reach a wider audience and increase audience engagement. From our press releases, web posts, interviews, competitions, and more, the chance to increase traffic and increase sales is ever present. You'll market your offerings in direct and indirect ways. The fourth reason is that you'll have high quality content generated for you. I'm sure you've heard the saying, content is king. Organizers create content, attendees create content, speakers create content. Content is all around us and all available for you. We'll get the content to the right people for you. And if having peace of mind is not enough, you get the credibility and brand positioning of working with an established and reputable industry leader. Yes, you can do it yourself, but we can do it better. Here at Topco Media, we have almost 3 decades of knowledge on how to organize B2B events, so we can position you along with other industry leaders. So connect with us and find out more by clicking the button below.